a very important process by which plants actually prepare their own food. It is the process of photosynthesis. How will you define photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is a physiological process by which green plants in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll prepare food in the form of carbohydrates using carbon dioxide and water. Now, not all organisms can prepare their own food. Based on this, the organisms can be autotrophic or heterotrophic. Autotrophic organisms are those organisms that prepare their own food, and heterotrophic are the ones that depend on autotrophs for their food, that they depend on others for their food. So, autotrophs can also be classified into two further categories, that is, you can say photoautotrophs and chemoautotrophs. Now, photoautotrophs are the ones which, with the help of inorganic raw materials in the presence of sunlight, prepare their own food, and chemoautotrophs are the ones which use energy derived from some chemical reactions, right. So, example of photoautotrophs are the green plants and some algae. And when we talk about chemoautotrophs, the ones that use energy from the chemical reactions to prepare their food, right, they are known as chemoautotrophs, and chemoautotrophs example include the sulfur bacteria. So, this is just an idea to tell you, to explain you about how the organisms are classified on the basis of the source of the food, right. So, when we talk about photosynthesis in green plants, then photosynthesis is a process by which green plants prepare their food, right. Now, what do they need as raw materials? They need carbon dioxide, they need water, they need solar energy, and they need chloroplast. Now, carbon dioxide is obtained from the atmosphere. Now, from where does this carbon dioxide enters in the plants? It enters from the stomata. It enters from the stomata. Now, these stomata are the pores that are located predominantly on the lower surface of the leaves. So, gases exchange takes place through these pores that we call as stomata. So, from the atmosphere, carbon dioxide is going to enter, and this carbon dioxide serves as a main raw material for the preparation of carbohydrates in the plants, that is actually glucose. So, what is prepared? It is glucose that is formed as a result of photosynthesis. Now, glucose is a carbohydrate. Then the next raw material that is needed by the plants is water. Now, water is being absorbed from the soil by the plants. So, continuous absorption of water is there from the soil by the plants. Then plants need solar energy or the radiant energy. Now, the sunlight, it is the source of energy by the plant, for the plants. So, solar energy is the source of energy for the photosynthesis to take place. Now, the solar energy is trapped in special structures that are there, which we call as chloroplast. Now, chloroplasts are the green colored plastids that are there. They are mostly in the mesophyll cells of the leaf. Where are they located? They are located mainly in the mesophyll cells of the leaves. So, these are the four important raw materials that are required by the plants to carry on the process of photosynthesis. So, just remember, CO2 is taken from the atmosphere through the pores, which we call as stomata. Water is absorbed from the soil, and solar energy is the source of energy which is actually trapped by the structures that we call as chloroplast. Now, we will be discussing about the special structures, that is chloroplast.